Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to see you. My name is Kate and here I post unboxing videos, skincare reviews and lifestyle videos. As I mentioned in my previous 3 videos, I recently got a few self-portrait dresses and this is the 4th video, the unboxing of the 4th dress. So previous 3 dresses, you can find them on my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to unbox the 4th dress, which I got from Saks Fifth Avenue. So what is interesting about this dress is that on self-portrait side it is not on sale, and I had been looking at this dress for a while because I enjoy the color. It is a lilac. I'm so lazy to go to Google Translate now and see the right pronunciation, sorry. So lilac sequin midi-dress. I thought that maybe later for some events I will get this dress, but then suddenly I saw advertisement on Instagram and this dress was on sale. On their original site it costs $655, and on Saks Fifth Avenue it costed around 300 something, and also I got some, I think 10% more off, so altogether it was only 294, I guess. Crazy. And this dress is more like an evening gown, a little bit opened. Anyway, let me show you. So it arrived in a different way because normally you get it from in self-portrait box, but I guess because it was shipped not from self-portrait directly, this is how they packed it for me. It was in a box. So let's take this thing off. This color, look at this color, oh my god, how shiny it is. No, I watched videos with this dress on their site and it was so shiny, and I thought maybe it's just shiny there, but maybe in real life it's not that shiny. But look at these sparkles. I am in love with this dress. You know, like it could be just a simple dress, you know, just regular like mermaid shaped dress, but the color is so special, I think. These details, so beautiful. Like, and this, don't know how to call it, and with leg opening, I think this is something very interesting and unique. I'll just show closer one more time. Details. Okay, let's take it off from the hanger. It has cups here, very good cups, you know, not some cheapy ones, because I had previously some dresses a long time ago which were much cheaper, and the cups were like they didn't really hold anything. With this one I feel it's just like a normal bra, just without any push-up, and I like it. I don't like push-up or things like this personally. Also have this thing to hold on better. One interesting thing is that it stretches, but because of these details, it does not. And I saw that a lot of models, they wear it not like this, but a little bit like down the arm. I will see how it will look better on me. Okay, let's try it on. I completely forgot about the belt. So beautiful. Just a thin, elegant belt. Feels very comfortable, though I can say these things really a bit too tight, so I put them down a bit. I like beautiful belts. Look, it's all so shiny. It's really, even on their side they say that it is old Hollywood style, and I completely agree with it. So beautiful. And the length, again, for me it's maxi. I even like it more with this dress. And cups are very comfortable, like they hold everything just perfect. I think I'm going to wear it for my birthday. Let me show you just a bit more. Oh, this color, these details. So it was the fourth dress out of 4 dresses. Thank you everyone for watching. If you want to see more videos, you can go to my YouTube channel and find them there. I'm crazily happy with this dress, with all the dresses I got. I think it's like crazy price, amazing quality, beautiful design, and I just enjoy it. Hope you have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.